welcome back. Kasama pa rin natin si Alex at si Ru sa studio. Kanina ay narinig natin ang mga karanasan niya pagdating sa mga naging karelasyon niya. Ngayon naman ay maririnig natin ang kwento ng Edge Radio DJ na si Owie Burns de la Cruz. She was a single mom for 5 years while waiting for her God's best. So Owie, kung si Ru, 24 girlfriends, how many boyfriends did you have naman?
Mas konti.
Mas konti, okay.
Between 10 to 15.
10 to 15?
More or less.
Bakit range 10 to 15?
Hindi ko na maalala yung iba.
Okay, alright.
Tsaka hindi sure kung
boyfriend o hindi, or MU. Pero, what do you think was the reason why hindi nag-last yung mga relationships?
Kung kasi yung time, kasi that was between high school and college. So,
Yes.
at that point, hindi mo pa alam exactly kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. And then when you go from one relationship to another, obviously, hindi sila yung man na ginawa para sa akin. So, syempre sila, meron silang certain things that they desire sa woman, and then they want that from you. And you're trying to be a different person every single time. And throughout the process, you lose yourself kasi. So, you tend to forget who you are na. So, ganun. Parang lang, and then there's that void.
Yes.
There's that parang hole that needs to be filled.
What void was that?
You felt like you were so incomplete. Parang it was a missing puzzle piece. And then bukod sa, obviously that puzzle piece was meant to be filled by my husband now.
Yes.
But then again, wala rin akong God. So, you know, that love that you desire as a person,
Yes.
that you naturally need as a person, wala rin sa life ko nun eh. So you keep on looking for that love. My partners.
What was the turning point for you? Because you said there was that missing piece. You were searching for that love, that void to be filled. What was the turning point for you?
When I became a Christian. And so I became part of a group of girls, halos lahat single moms.
Yes.
And when our small group leader then, you know, she was talking about waiting, and she kept on talking about stories of other Christian women who started to wait na walang boyfriend. And I was like, huh?
Yeah.
Ba yun?
Is it possible for a woman to wait?
Oo, kasi it becomes a crutch na eh. Na when you don't have a boyfriend, like after a month or after a few weeks
Yeah.
or a week or two, you know, you're looking again. Because
I can imagine because you're very pretty, and then they'll say, oh, bakit wala kang boyfriend? Ang ganda mo naman.
Yes.
Di ba? They'll say something like that.
And wala kang, and then, you know, parang there's like a missing, parang may kulang na damit. Parang
Yes,
ganun
yes.
yung dating.
Accessories.
So, parang may kulang na, exactly. Parang it becomes that. So it's very shallow na, nagiging shallow na siya. So, and then when I became a Christian nga, and I heard of stories like that, and I heard my small group leader's story of her waiting then, simple pala yun. And, you know, and she kept on telling me that God prepared someone exactly, like specifically made for you.
Wow.
Sabi niya, gawa ka ng list.
So you made a list?
I did.
And how many items? And
4
what was in that
pages
list?
back to back.
Wow!
More than 100 items.
Okay.
Na very specific ah.
Okay. Example, what was in that list? How specific?
Yung medyo weird na lang, na combination.
Sige.
I wanted a musician na very specific yung music na gusto niya and music na piniplay niya mismo.
Wow!
Pero gusto ko nagba-ballroom dance. So yung
Hirap
super
yun for a
cool.
guy, ha?
Exactly. So super cool on one end.
Yes.
And then, yung marunong mag-ballroom
Traditional
dancing.
on their end.
And then there were certain things on my list that he would have to do, like, because I was a single mom, and I wanted that man na siya mag-initiate to talk to my son's father.
Yes.
And he did that a week after, like my husband did that a week after.
Wow.
He had to have favor from my son, and so all these different little things na important. And then, yun, isa-isang nangyari.
Wow. But that list, you know, you wrote that list, 4 pages long, but it took 5 years? 5 years before you met Rommel. Okay, how was the experience for you waiting?
Oh, it was tough. It was very tough. Well, different seasons. There was a season where I was really having fun with work. Na hindi mo na mapapansin. There was a season na kontento na ako talaga na, you know, it's just gonna be me and my son. I've given up.
Yeah.
Kasi even if I would talk to, and I would go out with Christian men, parang hindi pa rin eh. Parang you'd still get your heart broken. So
Yes.
parang, huwag na lang. So, when I came to that point na, maybe no one's meant, no one, I'm not meant to be with someone. So, nag-give up na ako, and then that's when Rommel came along.
Wow.
Okay, Avi, now that you are married, how did you know that Rommel is the one God has given you as your husband? What can you say to single women out there who are still waiting for that man that God has for them?
I really believe, and it's proven, that God specifically makes a person for you, like your partner for you. Perfect fit, eh? Like the way you are together. And that's, like, throughout the year that I've been married, every day I see reasons why that's why you gave him for me, God. Kasi yung match, we complement each other. And masasabi ko lang is, God has perfect plan for us. Diba? So why settle for something less than perfect? Especially when it comes to a lifetime partner. God cares about your love life. Diba? Hindi siya killjoy na God. But God siya na tayo nga ang hilig-hilig niyang pakiligin. So what more, diba? It's a gift na bigyan ka niya ng partner, bigyan ka niya ng kid, bigyan ka niya ng magandang family life. So there is that one person if you wait.
If you wait.
So there is that God's best and don't settle for anything less.
That's right.
Pero balikan natin yung hanging question ko kay Ru kanina, yung panahon na yung bang is it fair na yung babae naman ang gumawa ng move?
First move,
Oo,
okay.
yung first move.
Magagalit yung mga men sa akin pag sinabi ko. Actually
Hindi
po,
ba mas madali yun?
Okay lang magalit mga men, huwag lang magalit mga women. Is it okay?
personally sa akin, I prefer na kung sana wag mag-make ng move. Para mas challenging.
Sinong hindi magme-make ng move?
Yung girls.
Yung girls,
Yan.
yes. I agree.
Yung parang maghintay lang sila ng
Oo.
maghintay lang. Kaso lang medyo, pag nagdi-disciple po kasi kami, pag nagpapa-counsel yung mga kids ng mga babae, sinasabi nila sobrang hirap kasi nga, parang kailangan yung lalaki gusto din sila, ganyan.
Yes.
Pero siguro, may limit. Hindi yun talagang parang pinapakitang gustong-gusto mo na siya. Yung parang, hey, I'm here. Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n lang.
Disagree ako dyan.
Parang nag-i-exist
Disagree ako
ka.
dyan.
Gano'n, oh.
Oo. I believe also what Owie says, na God is prepared someone specifically for you. At saka, okay lang to respond if they make the first move, no? Pero ikaw yung mag-i-initiate. Yung gender difference ng men, it's already inbuilt in them that they want a challenge, that they want to pursue. What do you think about that, Owie?
Oo, kasi diba, parang the way men were wired, parang
Yes.
warriors talaga, parang you're
Warriors.
hunters.
Yeah,
parang
I like
ganon.
that too.
Diba, hunters talaga kayo. Yun yung talagang natural wiring ng guys. And I guess, let's say, kahit puno yung room ng mga tao,
Yeah.
when a guy catches you, like, when a guy sees a girl that he likes, yun na yun, di ba, pag may napansin ka. Pag may napansin ka, yun na
Pag
yun.
nakita ka ni Rommel across the room,
Yun mismo yun eh.
she's the one.
Okay. Hayaan na natin yung yung audience yung mag-decide. Pero meron nag-comment from Facebook tungkol sa pinag-uusapan natin on aggressive women. Sabi ni Arvin William Dauz, feature writer, it may be but a small portion or sign of our laid-back and conservative culture. But if women take charge more and become more aggressive, we can finally say that we are changing for the better. When the classic Maria Clara becomes the Betty of Archie Comics fame, then we know that our women, always strong and independent, if not belabored by tired customs, are becoming more open about their true strength. Alam ko, magre-react si kanina.
Bro, what can you say?
Praise God, lalaki ako.
Oy, what can you say?
Hindi, to touch on that, kasi diba, oo, it shows that women are strong, but, pag yung sa first
Yes.
move, babae, so when's that gonna stop? Because,
Yeah.
when you get into a relationship, or eventually, if you do end up in marriage, and yung woman yung unang nag-initiate, sa marriage nyo, so laging yung woman yung nag-initiate,
Namumuna.
kasi nasanay na yung lalaki na siya na
Laid
lang,
back na lang siya,
laid
passive
back
na
na
lang
lang
siya.
siya, diba? Parang nagpalit kayo ng role.
Here, we also have a comment from Nancy Sustento Ramones, grade school teacher at San Beda College, okay? Matagal na nag-evolve ang mga babae sa ganyang usapin. Wow! I am one woman who firmly believes that we should not just be in a corner waiting for some guy to notice us. We can't forever be reactive. We should be proactive. Besides, guys want their woman that way. I think. Maybe. Assertive. Okay. Ru.
Nagugulat po ako.
Kuya
Pero sabi ko,
Alex.
okay din yan, di ba?
Okay.
Okay din. Pero yung preferred po talaga, sa akin, preferred
Yes,
talaga,
yes.
is, yun, parang ako yung mag-make ng
Sabi ni Joseph Anthony Gahol, Hotel Assistant Manager, people will always think na pag lalaking gumawa ng first move, ayos lang. Pag babae naman, pangit raw tignan. Here's the point. Don't they think na kaya rin naman gawin ng babae ang ginagawa ng lalaki? That is manligaw because no matter how you look at it, pag balik-balik rin mo ang itsura, tao naman pareho their functional minds that tell them what's right or wrong, what to do, and what not to do. Siguro ang sinasabi natin dito ay parang iba na talaga ang ngayon, ang henerasyon ngayon. Pero alam mo, tama ka dun sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung off-air, na baka dun sa commitment, hindi magtagal pag parang walang challenge
Yes.
kasi, di ba, yung sasabihin ng lalaki, kahit nasa iyo ng lahat ng katangian, pero dahil nakuha ka na niya, parang gusto naman niyang mag-explore na ulit.
Anyway, I think it's more of a men because it's a gender difference. Men operate first on the physical attraction.
Correct.
And you have to sustain that long enough for him to fall in love with you emotionally and spiritually. But how can he get to that level when sa part of pursuing pa lang, you're not a challenge anymore. You weren't able to sustain his interest long enough. He had, he wasn't able to fall in love with your character.
Tsaka sa yung kung sa Bible, di ba may verse na he who finds a wife. So, parang biblical,
Yes.
he who finds a wife. So, dapat yung he yung nagpa-find dun sa wife. Di ba? Kaya, kahit na, basta, okay na.
Okay, we have Theodos
Ayos na yun.
Doctor.
Okay na po yun. Basta,
Yes, we also have a comment from Theodos Doctor, a writer. If he's your friend, do something a little more special and see if he'll reciprocate. Affirm him, encourage him. Oh, I agree with that. Affirm him, encourage him. Ask him out for coffee. Okay, medyo yan ang hindi ako nag-agree. Kapag 5 years mo na ginagawa at wala pa din, wala siguro. Ouch. But if you really like him and you think you don't want to lose him and you think you have heard from God and you can't wait any longer, kasi 20 years na kayong friends, wala pa rin ding move towards something more. Ano ang mas kaya mo? To be brave enough to say what you feel and possibly be rejected, or to wait 5, 10 more years until he makes his move? Saklap. No. Okay. Bottom line for me, it's okay to tell someone how important they are and how they need to you. That's being a brave woman. And if they say no, you respect their choice and honor their decision. If they say yes, celebrate.
Alam mo, ang ibig sabihin niyan, na sila, BFF, best friends forever.
Sobrang
Ganun
platonic
yun.
na.
So sa lahat po ng nakaantabay sa ating programa, magbibigay kami ng mga libro dito. Ito po yung road trip na isinulat ng ating panauhin na si Ru de la Torre, ang unang 5 callers na magbibigay ng tamang sagot sa tanong na aming ipapakita mamaya ay mag-uwi ng mga ito.